Welcome back. All natural herbs in the form of hair care products. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at how one business is catering to the needs of those who are seeking a healthier, more unique option for their tresses. Here's Cody and Barrett.
Having healthy natural hair is one of the ways to develop a positive outlook. That's why when co-owner of Ragga, Ragga Anderson experienced hair damage, she tried to get it back on track. She struggled to find products on the market to get the results she was looking for and was left with no choice but to try a new approach. She began experimenting with home remedies using all natural herbs. And with her mother's history in making Jamaican black castor oil, the two partnered and out came Ragga.
We came up with the idea. She was always making the castor oil. I was always experimenting. And COVID came about last year and we were at home, working from home. And I said, well, if this is something that we are doing just as a recreational thing, testing it out on ourselves, I think it's time for it to be in the market to create that shine and expansion on the use of Jamaican, Indian, and African herbs in our hair care products.
With the family investments and savings, the business got going, and it managed to produce a range of hair care products from various Caribbean and Indian herbs, catering to all hair types.
Our hair products, though they are organic based, so they're good for anybody's hair. And it doesn't matter what your hair could be natural or it could be processed. It could be in a state where it's damaged, you're experiencing some form of thinning, or your hair is healthy as ever. You can use Ragga from the baby all the way down to the elderly, male or female. All the products are friendly, user-friendly, and can be used by anyone.
At first, social media platform Instagram was used as its initial marketplace. Slowly, requests from overseas started pouring in.
Persons messaged us online saying that we're in the United States, we're in Canada, and your products are something that we need in here, especially our Jamaican black castor oil that we make. They wanted those products and they were saying, how can we get the products to you? So we set up our Etsy store online.
Now, 1 year into the business, Ragga is now established on the international scene. And with Amazon now officially available in Jamaica, Sharika is also looking to take advantage of that opportunity. She also has her eyes set on expanding the hair care offerings and accessibility.
We're in the process now of working on getting our products in stores. So we have our online stores in Jamaica where we use Shop Q Mall and we sell via Instagram. And now we want to branch off into getting our products in stores using the distributors in Jamaica. Because one thing with Jamaica, persons really do have a problem with some persons with the trust that they put in online stores because of maybe scamming and such. So the best way to get to the persons in Jamaica and to the different persons is through getting our products in stores.
Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.